The word machine generally refers to an assembly which has parts that move. However, a simple machine can be a very basic device. A simple machine is something which provides a mechanical advantage, that is, the load generated by the machine, the force it puts out, or output, is greater than the effort, the force put in, or input, required to generate the load. An example of a simple machine is a lever, which is used with a fulcrum, a point which acts as a support, and allows the lever to pivot, turn around the support. If the lever is placed so that the distance between the effort and the fulcrum is greater than the distance between the load and the fulcrum, a mechanical advantage is created. b. In the past, parts were often tailored specially to fit one particular aircraft and could not be fitted to another of the same design. This was because the tolerances and margins of error were too wide. Nowadays, however, manufacturers try to make parts interchangeable by using IC, an industry abbreviation for interchangeability. At the Eurofighter component factory in Samlesbury, some aircraft parts are machined to tolerances as fine as 70 microns. The tolerance is the difference between the maximum and minimum acceptable dimension, the upper and lower limits. Making components to this very fine tolerance means that if there is a hold-up with one plane, a part can be fitted to another one without modification. In this way, the production process is kept moving. One of the key types of machine at this factory is the 5-axis milling machine, FAM. Milling machines are used for forming surfaces and are extremely versatile. By the use of different configurations and different shaped cutters, a wide variety of shapes and surfaces can be machined. Before this, standard milling machines were designed to work on only 3 axes, which limits the amount of cutting that can be done at any one time without changing the position of the workpiece. The FAM machine can operate along 5 separate axes and is able to produce highly complex curved shapes and surfaces in a short time.